Most doctors use a Google search at the point of care because it's actually impossible to remember everything. Now, in emerging markets, healthcare decisions can be extraordinarily complex. The WHO indicates that in as many as up to 50% of cases, there are medicine usage errors or prescription errors. This is not only a substantial global public health issue, but a substantial business risk for pharmaceuticals and health insurers. My team and I are a team of African medical professionals, and we understand that a core part of this problem is access to specific region, medicines, and treatment information. Which drugs are available locally? What do they cost? What are local treatment recommendations for how they are used in your territory? A Google search doesn't yield these results. Our solution is a platform ecosystem where a number of stakeholders provide relevant information on a regional and hyper-regional basis. Our team provides medicines data contextualized for regions. Institutions provide treatment policies. Hospitals provide drug stock information. This is the best system for a healthcare professional to operate effectively within the confines of its ecosystem and health system. For pharmaceuticals, we present an opportunity to bring product safety and accuracy information, as well as benefit of digital engagement channels. Now imagine a multinational pharmaceutical trying to get 5 minutes of a doctor's time in the future. This solution is an enormous cost efficiency. Pharmaceuticals spend over $5 billion just in Africa trying to connect with the medical workforce. And in a continent where the workforce is becoming increasingly tech-reliant and young, the industry is just waking up to the idea that their whole world is about to change. And we are there to take them into the future, not only as digital partners, but impact partners. We charge $300 per product, per month, per country. There are tens of thousands of products over the entire region. But more importantly, we have a range and roadmap of business services, engagement, and data services planned for the industry. We have 13,000 medical professionals in Africa. We have 25% of the doctor community in South Africa alone, 30 different institutions, including national ministries of health and various other African countries taking up our offering. We started as a small startup engaging multinational pharmaceuticals last year. And we initiated successful pilots with a number of them, with a small amount of drugs, after going through successful global digital approvals, and have now reached a point where we've reached agreement to move to full contract and full market pricing with at least 5, with several others in the pipeline. The way our platform grows, there's a virtuous circle between pharmaceuticals, medical industry, medical institutions, and doctors using the platform. The more they use it, the more it grows and the more value each derives. There are a number of medical apps around the world, most of which are unfortunately US or UK-centric and don't address emerging market healthcare needs, which is really what our platform leverages in terms of local ecosystem. We have a full-time team of 12, both founders are medical doctors, and we have a panel of advisors that represent industry and academic expertise. We've raised successfully $1 million over 3 different seed rounds and are now looking to raise $3 million to expand, enhance, and automate the platform over 3-4 African countries. I want to draw attention to the opportunity at a broader scale, because what happens when you have an engaged audience of healthcare professionals is that you speak to the bottom line of a range of industries, NGOs, medical device institutions, health insurers, etc. And our goal is to provide and continue to provide this platform in a manner that respects the independence of medical professionals. We believe that by finding the right business models and private sector partnerships to develop and invest in the healthcare technologies to impact care is the best way to go to develop technologies that are truly scalable. With the right medical community partnerships, with the right time horizon, and investors who share our interest and vision, there is no limit to what we can achieve. There's no limit to the errors we can avert and no limit to the lives we can save. Thank you.